Let's make keto bagels. Let's start with a couple of cups of almond flour. And we got our baking powder. We got our mozzarella cheese, 2 cups, and a cup of cheddar. Cream cheese. I'm going to microwave that for a couple minutes until it gets a little bit melted. Get it until it's about this consistency. You're going to go ahead and add your 2 eggs. Incorporate that all together into a fathead dough. It should look like this. You're going to portion it out, 6 pieces. Roll those into balls. Roll them flat and then make your little bagel shapes. We're going to add some everything bagel seasoning on there, which I love. It tastes amazing. And it makes the house smell great when you cook it. Press these in. Should look kind of like this. You can use a bigger pan than we have here, and you won't get this connection here, but bake them until golden brown, about 15-20 minutes. And enjoy with some cream cheese. It's amazing. Absolutely recommend. 10 out of 10. The recipe is going to be in the description with links to the website where you can get more information on this. This is very low carb. About 500 calories each here.